10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0.
Every morning, with the break of dawn, one of the world's most common fossil fuels become an integral part of our existence. Natural gas, as we know it, runs our homes, fuels our industries, powers our devices, and shapes our country's economy. This environment-friendly, non-renewable resource enriches our communities and gives us all a reason to feel blessed. Welcome to Sui Southern Gas Company. Pakistan's energy powerhouse, which since 1954 has been dedicated towards providing uninterrupted gas supply to more than 2.7 million domestic, commercial, and industrial customers.
Over 6 decades, SSGC has proved its mettle as country's frontline utility company with strong commitment to serving its customers. It follows good governance practices with an aim to serve you even better in the days to come.
A vibrant public sector gas utility, SSGC operates a rich and ever-expanding network of transmission and distribution lines. The company has in place a robust corporate governance framework by virtue of which the board of directors ensure accountability, fairness, and transparency in a company's relationship with its stakeholders that includes customers, financiers, management, employees, government, and community. As a downstream company, SSGC purchases natural gas from 27 gas fields operated by local and multinational exploration and production companies. With a transmission network that spreads more than 3,600 kilometers and a distribution network stretching across nearly 44,000 kilometers, SSGC is committed towards supplying gas to more than 2.6 million domestic, 23,000 commercial, and 4,100 industrial customers in over 1,300 cities, towns, and villages of Sindh and Baluchistan. The natural gas that ignites our burners every day passes through a complex yet organized transmission and distribution network. After due processing, gas flows into the infrastructure of transmission pipeline network comprising of compressor stations, pressure reduction stations, and metering stations located at gas delivery points. It is then distributed to all categories of customers through an equally rich distribution network. Every SSGC project, regardless of its size, is a veritable case study in world-class project management involving thorough planning, meticulous design engineering, and quality construction management. From the sandblasting process for smoothing rough edges of the pipelines to heavy-duty coating to enhance pipeline life, there is attention to detail in every stage. Our diligent workforce makes its way through intricate paths, tough terrains, and inclement weather conditions to create incredible engineering feats comparable to the best in the world. The company's northern and southern distribution divisions carry out a vital task of ensuring uninterrupted gas supply in the respective franchise locations. The company's unrelenting passion to excel has been evident in every commissioned project, be it the groundbreaking overhead pipelines in Karachi and Jamshoro, the Quetta-Zargun pipeline, or the 42-inch diameter pipeline in Bin Qasim area of Karachi for distributing LNG to the end users. The constant pursuit of excellence transcends into other major components of the company's business. Over the years, SSGC has developed an instinctive approach of serving its customers on 24/7 basis with speed, agility, and a reassuring smile. The company has an ever-growing fleet of well-equipped 1199 emergency vans for attending to its customers' calls. It operates more than 25 customer facilitation centers and has established state-of-the-art call centers in major cities of its franchise areas, all with the primary aim of serving its customers better. Bill recovery drives are run through dedicated teams on the ground and mass media campaigns to ensure that the customers settle their dues on time. The company also outsources bill printing facility that prints more than 650 pages per minute. The company has consistently been investing in cutting-edge state-of-the-art technology which has enhanced its operational efficiency to serve its customers better. At the same time, the company's IT department has been a vital resource known for delivering cost-effective strategic solutions that facilitates internal efficiency and help serve customers more skillfully. While the online SCADA system ensures effective gas control through real-point monitoring of delivery points so that any deviations with regards to gas supply can be corrected, the control room carries out gas measurement monitoring of consuming sectors. Accountability, integrity, transparency, and teamwork are pillars on which SSGC stands. Internal Audit Department adds value through effective control. Regulatory Affairs protects stakeholders' interests by ensuring adherence to regulator-specified service standards, and Procurement Department focuses on all facets of tendering process in accordance with the PPRA rules. On the other hand, the Finance Department keeps a watchful eye on revenues, expenditures, and investments made. Best practices of corporate governance are made certain by adopting a set of processes and policies to let smart business sense. Objectivity and integrity take the center stage. SSGC has a long-standing HSE and QA obligation towards keeping its employees and customers safe while protecting the environment in which it operates. The Medical Services Department, on the other hand, besides providing basic medical facilities, goes a step further by raising awareness about chronic medical conditions. The company's Human Resources Department provides the organization with structure and ability to meet business needs by managing the company's most valuable resource, its human capital. The company has never shied away from attracting fresh blood into its ranks. SSGC is implementing an emerging leadership program whereby young graduates from tertiary level institutions of Pakistan are inducted in challenging corporate roles. The objective is to develop future business leaders who will have the acumen and wisdom to take the company forward. Through its gas training institutes in Karachi and Hyderabad, SSGC imparts soft and technical skills to its executives and staff to help them improve their intellectual capital by acting as an effective bridge between the management and labor unions. The HR department also ensures industrial peace. Through its corporate communication tools that include media relations, advertising, event management, digital media and publications, the company is able to effectively enhance its corporate image by projecting a factual organizational picture externally. We take our corporate social responsibility initiatives in the areas of education, health, environment, and community development projects quite seriously so as to benefit the communities around us. On CSR front, the company has moved one step ahead by recently introducing Hum Kadam, a volunteering program that encourages its employees to participate in diverse community welfare initiatives. And in sports arena, SSGC's pool of talented sportsmen represent their company and country in local and international cricket, hockey, cycling, and football events. As the operators of the country's only meter manufacturing plant, SSGC has been effectively meeting the requirements of domestic and foreign customers as well as that of Sui Northern gas pipelines by producing G4 and G1.6 meters. The plant has also developed third-generation V3 meters which have anti-meter tampering features and a smart meter capability of electronic data collection and processing. The Made in Pakistan tag emblazoned on each meter that comes out from the plant's assembly line is an ultimate source of pride. Without challenges in its midst, tenacity of a great company cannot be truly measured. History is a living proof that SSGC has always excelled when the going got tough. Of late, bridging the widening demand-supply gap in natural gas dynamics has been a major challenge for SSGC, yet, by choosing to diversify into various alternative fuels, the company is focused towards augmenting supplies. The company runs a fully integrated LPG company with a well-defined supply chain structure that ensures marketing and distribution of LPG across Pakistan. It is also installing synthetic natural gas or LPG air mix plants in those areas of Sindh and Baluchistan which are far off from the distribution grid. Unaccounted for gas or line losses is a major menace that has over the years affected SSGC's financial bottom line and operational efficiency. SSGC has risen against the menace with an iron hand by taking practical measures such as creating business units in different cities for greater responsibility and control and persuasively cracking down on gas pilferage, a major cause of rising UFG. A special committee of Board of Directors on UFG assists the board in effective monitoring and control of UFG losses, making recommendations by reviewing statistical data. These efforts go hand in hand with internal and external activities such as anti-gas theft related campaigns, regular articles, and theme-based constructive stage plays to motivate the employees to fight out the UFG menace. These measures will ultimately increase investors' confidence on SSGC.
SSGC is fully committed to support the government endeavours in bridging the current energy gap in the country. It is proud to be part of the historic LNG import, which is a remarkable initiative that has already transformed a long-time dream to reality.
With an eye on a sustainable future in order to bridge the widening demand-supply gap, SSGC is facilitating Government of Pakistan's plan to ensure energy sustainability by importing regasified LNG through major infrastructure development. From the company's perspective, the RLNG project is of strategic importance. The company is currently focused towards developing an ambitious 42-inch diameter, 374-kilometer long pipeline infrastructure from Karachi to Punjab to facilitate transmission of 1.2 BCFD gas for power sector in Punjab. We are of the firm belief that LNG import will be a game changer. The company is also determined to valiantly take on similar LNG projects and will continue to focus on rehabilitation projects across its franchise areas in order to replace aging network for controlling line losses. Such measures will reflect on strong financial bottom line, leading to increase in investors' confidence and ultimately maximizing the shareholders' value. In the future, SSGC will continue to turn challenges into opportunities for growth. This is because the vision that was defined in 1954 has now transformed into a burning passion to meet energy requirements, even if it requires taking roads less traveled. SSGC's first 60 years have been one brilliant saga of world-class engineering and a determined workforce willing to go the distance.
The best, however, is yet to come.